Alright guys, so I'm here to talk about MCA, Motor Club of America. A lot of people are getting involved in the referral, referral program. They're a roadside and total life assurance company, and basically what they're promising is if you start, you know, $40 a month, your first month, and then $20 a month after that, if you're able to, hire some other people, get some other people, refer other people to their program, you'll get $80 per referral. You know, they're making this big, what's it called? Wrong one. This looks really luxurious, now hiring, no experience needed, 18 plus and access to the net, want to work from home at your own time and get paid every Friday. I'm just trying to show you guys that this, turn $40 into 160 to 1,000 plus a week. This is pure lies. This is a scam. They're selling this big, Motor Club of America This is a pyramid scheme. Exactly. This is a pyramid scheme. They're selling this idea to you that, this is so luxurious, you're going to get paid all this money. Pyramid scheme is a form of investment illegal in the US and elsewhere in which each paying participant recruits two further participants, with returns being given to early participants using money contributed by later ones. So if I was to show you this, CEO, the owner, whoever made it, it's going to be the people at the top who is going to be making all this money, and they're going to be profiting from the people at the bottom. So, and there's going to be less and less people at the top and more people at the bottom. And there's a reason why everything you hear is so good. It's because people who are signing up, they're not allowed to talk bad. They're not allowed to talk bad. So that's why when you YouTube, MCA, this is MCA, all right? This obviously didn't work, but for example, for this MCA finally exposed, this woman is going to be showing you, these people are going to be showing you and flashing a bunch of money. Scared me my first week, but if you go in there, they're going to be showing you all their commissions, $1,000 commissions. Look at all that money in this girl's hand. How MCA works, MCA just paid me $33,000 in 1 week. This is total crap, bro. Don't believe in any of this. See, the Ponzi owner who profits from all those below him. These are the people those who get in early and profit from others coming in. Those who are heavy hitter marketers struggling to hang on. Latecomers who money flows up to those above. Wondering why this binary system isn't working? There's too many people. That's basically why. And the people at the top are the only ones who are going to be able to profit and make this beautiful money. This is all a scam. Another way I'm going to show you this is their website. This is their contact page. I'm going to go into the betterbusinessbureau.com. This is where you find out the real businesses. So, Motor Club of America, right? It says here that they're located in, where they're located? Oklahoma. All right, so put some Oklahoma up here. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Search. So, I'm assuming that these are the real people that aren't. These are the people that are scamming, but they do have these other two search results. But even when you go on these search results, I mean, you want to weigh the pros and cons. Now, there's 31 positive, and come on, let's think about it. 31 positive. There's obviously something going on here. Customer review rating doesn't even say, it's blocked out. 80, 89, 38, like what is that? But when you look at the positive, this is crazy. I'm going to show you the positive versus the negative. This is an amazing company. The opportunity to earn additional income while wielding one simple membership card that includes so many benefits. Far beyond superior in quality of the services I receive as a good member. I can't begin to explain how amazing this company is. Truly the income opportunities, it's all about the money. It's all about the money. What about the actual, roadside assistance part? They just luring people in, I first joined MCA for all the incredible benefits. This is total bull. This is total BS. Now we're gonna go look at the negative. Negative. Don't fall for their lies, people. This is a pyramid scheme, and they will just try and suck money from you. Don't fall for their lies. You know, this is total crap. What did they have to say? We sell a valuable product to customers and also provide an opportunity for entrepreneurs to build a. This is BS, BS, BS. Horrible service, pay for roadside assistance, and they refused to help me out when I needed so. So this is actually about the roadside assistance, and as you can see, they suck probably because they're not real and they're just scamming people. Working with MCA is a great way to start a new life. Not only will you have a great life, but you will always cover yourself for the worst that can happen. I don't know what that means, but this is terrible, man. This is obviously fake. Terrible, terrible. So don't fall for this MCA shit. You know, they're just lying to you. They're gonna suck money out of you. You're probably gonna get paid for the first week, and then they're gonna mess up on your payments after that. So all of this, do not fall for it. 80 years is bull crap, bro. Bull crap. Yeah, that's all I had to say. Don't fall for it.